Hi, Emil here from Town & Country Trucks. Today I'd like to show you this 95 model Ford F800 5-yard dump truck. It's got the Cummins 5.9 turbo diesel, then a wonderful motor, and it has 6-speed transmission, PTO with a 5-yard dump body, 1020 rubber. Dump truck has a nice match set of rubber under the body toolbox. It's got a roll tarp, manual roll tarp that pulls back. This truck also has material chutes on each side so you can dump your material where you want it. It also has a heavy-duty panel hitch. Hi, at this time I'd like to tell you a little bit about our financing programs. We not only have traditional bank loans, but we also do business lease-to-own programs with dollar buyouts. You can elect to do a traditional 10% buyout or a dollar buyout, whichever makes the most sense for your business. We also have finance company financing for trucks as well as trailers, and we can do credit card transactions, Visa, MasterCharge, Discover, and also American Express. Whatever makes the most sense for your financing needs, we can take care of it.